I would like to know your name. Your name is
Rifat Sarkar.
Rifat.
Yes.
Rifat?
Rifat Sarkar.
Rifat Sarkar.
You can call me Rifat. It's suitable.
Rifat. So Rifat, thank you very much.
Me?
Yes. I mean, to talk with you on WhatsApp and
Yes, of course. Then my boy send you my WhatsApp, but my boy will work with you, not me. I am his boss.
Okay. So, as I said, I have lots of videos, and I really need to optimize these videos and put some thumbnails on them.
Okay, ma'am. Your channel, our channel, your success, our success. If you grow, we will grow. So it's
Yes, I'm sure you know that. It's a partnership.
Yes.
If I have success, I'm sure you are going to grow with me.
Of course.
So
And I hope
let's start together.
And of course, we are working together for a long time, and we want to help with them, guys.
Yes, I like this kind of thinking.
Of course, we will help you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rifat.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Harris.
Yeah, we're doing very well. How are you, ma'am and sir?
Hi, Harris. My name is Manuela, yes, and this is Gilberto. He's my husband.
Oh, that's really great. Welcome, guys, and thank you so much for joining with us.
I'm glad to meet you, Harris.
Same to you. We are from Bangladesh, and what about you?
Yes, I'm from Brazil.
Brazil, that's really great. Oh, so, can I start my presentation?
Se você não entender, você faz assim. He doesn't speak English, so sometimes I have to translate, okay?
Okay, no problem. Okay. So right now, if you have any question, if you want to know any more information, then you can feel free to ask me.
We would like to talk about money, about the costs of your work, because I'm starting. I don't have any students yet. I use it to teach at the university, but since the pandemics, I'm working alone, and I'm creating lots of content, but I don't have students paying students yet. I'm starting with YouTube. Since 6 months, I'm working systematically on YouTube, but I have lots of videos for SEO and thumbnails. I need a better price because I don't have any students yet. It's why I would like to talk to you like that, synchronically.
Okay, great. I understood. Let me discuss my boy.
Yes.
হারিস ভাই কোনো বাজেট কি বলছেন? কি জানি বলছিলেন আমাকে?
$6 করে বলছি পার ভিডিও।
$5?
$6।
$6? আচ্ছা। Okay, ma'am. My boy is talking. Our per video cost is $6 for complete SEO optimization and including organic promotion and including
$6. Just a second, please. $6 for SEO plus thumbnail?
No. Thumbnail is additional service. It's just for SEO. Yes, SEO optimization, including organic promotion.
Including social media.
Yes. That means social media promotion, yes.
Okay. Social media and how do you do social media? Tá no sol, meu amor. Tem que vir pro Bangladesh. So, $6 for SEO plus marketing social media services.
Social media services means we have to copy your videos link and we have to share your videos link by using social media. That's called social media promotion.
Do you mean my social media sharing with my Facebook and Instagram accounts?
No. From our Facebook and Instagram account, because we have this type of account for promotion.
Okay. Okay, I understand. So $6 for that.
Yes.
And thumbnail, what's the price?
Thumbnail is per thumbnail $5 per thumbnail.
For how many?
Per thumbnail $5.
Each thumbnail.
Yes, each thumbnail.
So for one video, $11 for one video. $11.
SEO plus thumbnail, $11 one video. Yes.
Eu vou pedir para diminuir o preço, né? So, as I said, I have lots of videos and I really need to optimize these videos and put some thumbnails on them. I talked to Harish on WhatsApp, and he gave me a price, 30 videos, $150. It would be $5 per video.
My boy told you this price?
Yes, he gave me this price. I would like to know if it is possible.
Okay, just let me. ভাই আপনি $150 নাকি বলছেন?
ভাই আমি বলছি যদি উনি 10টা ভিডিও উইকলি করে নেয় তাহলে হচ্ছে $60, আর যদি মান্থলি 30টা ভিডিও করেন $50 সেই ক্ষেত্রে।
Oh, that's
আর
really
যদি
great.
উনি
Yes, my boy have offered you monthly 30 videos, $150. Our monthly package cost is 30 videos, $300. But my boy gives for you a special discount. So it's specially for you, 30 videos, $150. So that's why.
I understand. I'm interested in this type of discount because, as I said, I used to work at the university, but now I'm investing in equipment, in my time, my energy, and everything I'm investing. I don't have any students.
Yes,
I would like to know if it's possible that we work like that you make $5 each video for SEO, social media, and thumbnail.
30 videos, complete SEO optimization, $150. But thumbnail is not possible including this price because thumbnail is additional price, and we are not thumbnail. That's mean my boy not a thumbnail designer. We have additional thumbnail designer person. So if we want to make your thumbnail by them, then we have to pay them. So that's why it's additional cost.
I understand. Is it possible $7 per video with all the 3 services? SEO, social media, and thumbnail.
Okay, I accept your price because you have not much price for that. I understand that because it's starting and you are investing. So that's why I accept that for trial month. And if you see after 1 month it's working and you are getting your result, then I think you should pay our price.
Let's start like that. But we don't get students in the first, second month. It's an investment time. Let's try. I really want to try with you, and I really want to work with you because you are here. You are investing your time with me.
Yes.
And my content is high quality. If you didn't know, you wouldn't talk to me like that now. Yes. So can we start like that? $7 each video for SEO, marketing, social media, and thumbnail. For starting as an investment.
Okay, ma'am. Your channel, our channel. Your success, our success. If you grow, we will grow. So it's
yes. I'm sure you know that it's a partnership.
Yes.
If I have success, I'm sure you are going to grow with me.
Of course.
So
and I hope
let's start together.
And of course, we are working together for a long time, and we want to help with them, guys.
Yes, I like this kind of thinking. I love this kind of thinking, and I would like to know if I can stay in touch with you.
Yes, you can.
Because I know you are also creating content and you understand my situation.
Yes, of course, ma'am.
So I would like to stay in contact with you, please. Is it possible?
With me?
Yes. I mean, to talk with you on WhatsApp and
Yes, of course. Then my boy send you my WhatsApp, but my boy will work with you, not me. I am his boss.
Okay.
This is what
I understand.
If you want, then you can stay with me.
Okay, I understand. I would like to know your name. Your name is
Rifat Shorkar.
Rifat.
Yes.
Rifat?
Rifat Shorkar.
Rifat Shorkar.
The second part is name. Spelling is Sharkar. Shorkar.
Shorkar.
Yes.
So do I say Rifat or do I say Shorkar?
You can call me Rifat. It's suitable.
Rifat. So Rifat, thank you very much for this wish of growing together. Thank you very much for your confidence. Thank you very much because you are here talking to me and investing your time. I know you know how YouTube really works, and you know my channel has lots of quality. And we can work together as a partnership like that.
Yes, of course.
So $7 per video with thumbnail is a good price for me to start.
Okay,
and I know we can really start. I'm going to give you a sheet with my videos so that you can start with these 30 videos.
Ma'am, actually, we have to at first need your channel access, but we no need your channel login information. We just need your channel access by as a manager or as an editor. Do you know how to give?
Yeah, let's do it now.
Okay. Then you can share your screen and give my boy your channel access.
I don't understand.
By chat box DTC mail.
You have to give your channel access.
Okay,
as a manager.
how?
Okay.
I understand.
Let me show you. At first, you have to click on your channel logo section. Can you see this? Your channel
Yes, I know.
logo. Then you have to click on
YouTube Studio. Okay. YouTube Studio.
YouTube Studio.
What is your email, please?
Just let me show you. Then you have to click on settings section. Okay. Then
Settings.
Yes, settings. Then you have to click on in this permission.
Permissions.
Yes, permission. In here you can see 3 person in here available. If you want to give access to anyone, then you have to click on the invite section, and in here you have to paste this person's email or type. Okay.
What is your email, please?
Just let me show you. Then I will send you my email. Okay. Then you have to click on the access section. Then you can see in here the lot of access is available. Then you can select the manager access. Then you have to select the manager access. Then you have to click on done. Okay. And if you want to remove your manager from your channel, then you can click on just this arrow section. Then you can remove access anytime. You can remove your manager from your channel anytime. Okay. Do you understand, ma'am?
I understand.
Okay. So my boy send you his email address on the Zoom chat box. Then you can access your channel.
Chat box or in your WhatsApp?
This Zoom inbox.
Zoom, okay. Just a second, please. Let me find it. Here, please write it down. My husband has his glasses.
No problem.
I don't have my glasses. I don't know where they are. I'm nobody without my glasses. SEO expert. This is the email of your colleague Harish.
Yes, Harish Roy.
Your partner.
Yes.
I will be in contact with Harish. And could you please give me also your WhatsApp number so that I can ask you any questions if I need?
Okay. I'm just typing my WhatsApp number.
And let's go on. Let's work together. Let's make this happen.
So I hope you will achieve your goals.
Okay.
Of course, we will help you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ripad.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.